so that the points are 4 minus 4 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 4 4 comma 0 2 comma 3 are the vertices of a rectangle. So this question is the same as the above question, so you can do yourself. So due for this, first of all you draw the roughly sketch of a diagram, clear, named ABCD, and write the coordinates here. A coordinates of A are minus 4 comma minus 1, right? Coordinates of B are minus 2 comma minus 4, and coordinates of C are 4 comma 0, and D are 2 comma 3, clear. Then find the distances of sides, clear, means length of the sides. So find AB, BC, CD, DA, and AC and BD. After find the lengths of all the sides of the quadrilateral, then you will check if opposite sides are equal, means this side is equal to this and this equal to this, and diagonals AC and these diagonals means this side be also be equal, then you can say this the vertices of this quadrilateral are the vertices of a rectangle, clear. So do yourself. Now our next question is, prove that the points this are the vertices of a square, clear. So points A, B, C and D are given. So draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral named ABCD. Coordinates are 1 comma 7, 4 comma 2, and C minus 1 comma minus 1, and coordinates of D are minus 4 comma plus 4, clear. First of all find distances all the sides of the quadrilateral and then find the diagonals, clear. So AB equal to AB equal to x2 minus x1 minus 1 square plus BC minus 1 minus whole square plus minus 1 minus 7 square and square root, clear. So this will become minus 2 square plus minus 8 square. So this will become 4 and this is 64, means this is under root 68 unit, clear. Now similarly you can find BC. Sorry, this is AC not AB, this is AC. So this is AC. Now find BC. So find AB equal to x2 minus x1, this is x2 y2 and x1 y1. So x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 7 square square root. So this is 3 square plus minus 5 square, clear. So square root of 3 square plus minus 5 square will become 9 plus 25. So this is under root 34. This is AB, and BC equal to, here BC equal to minus 1 minus 4 square, clear, and this is by 2 minus by 1. By 2 minus by 1 means minus 1 minus 2 square, clear. So this will become minus 5 square plus minus 3 square. So this will become 25 plus 9 means under root 34, and CD equal to minus 4 minus plus 1 square plus 4 minus plus 1 square. Clear? So this will become 3 square minus plus 5 square. So this will become root 34. Similarly, dA distance equal to dA equal to dA means 1 minus plus 4 square plus 7 minus 4 whole square root. So here it will become 5 square plus 3 square. So this will become also how much? Root 34. Now AC equal to AC means minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 7 square root. Clear? So this will become minus 2 square plus minus 8 square. So this is 4 and this is 64. So this will become under root 68. Similarly, BD equal to. So BD equal to square root of BD minus 4 का square. Clear? Minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 2 square. 4 minus 2 square means this will become minus 8 square plus 2 square. So this is under root 68. Now here all the sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA are equal, and diagonals AC and BD are also equal. So therefore the quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Clear? It means the coordinates are the vertices of a square, hence proof. Now our next question is, prove that the points 3, 0, 6, 4, minus 1, 3 are the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. Clear? So draw a rough diagram just like it. A, B, C. Clear? Coordinates of A are 3, 0, B are 6, 4, and C are minus 1, 3. Right? First of all, find all the sides means A, B, B, C, and C, A. Then using Pythagoras theorem means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. If these conditions are for satisfied, then the vertices are the vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle, and sides should, these sides means smaller sides should be equal. So first of all, AB, find the distance AB by using distance formula. So here this will become 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So you can find the square directly. So this will become 3 square plus 4 square. So this will become 25 means AB square is 25. Clear? Similarly, you can find BC square. So BC square will become minus 1 minus 6 square plus 3 minus 4 square, means this is minus 7 square plus this is 1 square. Clear? So this will become 49 and this 1. So this will become 50. Clear? Similarly, AC square. So AC square will be AC means 3 minus minus plus 1 square and 3 minus 0. 0 minus 3 square. So this will become 4 square plus 3 square. So this will become 25. Clear? So here two sides are equal, means AB and AC are equal. AB and AC means here at B should be A. Here AC and AB. AC and AB are equal and B should be here. Clear? And BC is diagonal. Sorry, hypotenuse. It means here AB equal to AB equal to 5, AC equal to 5 and BC equal to 5 root 2. So two sides are equal, and when we will put the values of AB square, BC square, AC square in this condition, then the condition is satisfied. It means this is the vertices of right angle triangle. Clear? So let's start. So here should be BC square. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. So value of AB is how much? 25. AC is 25. This is 50. So 50 equal to 50 means LHS equal to RHS. And two sides are equal, AB and AC. So two sides are equal and the condition of Pythagoras is also satisfied. It means the vertices of ABC of the triangle are the vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. Clear? And